Hey people, so we are at this place called Maker Block, which is Makers and Doodlers Robotic Lab, and wow, artificial intelligence STEM concepts. And that's my child in green over there. And this is a cute little place in E Galleria Mall, and that's what they basically encourage children to create things of on their own. And as you can see, it's for 7+ age group. And uh, see, this is also the phone number given, but anybody interested should see. If you were to take a look, okay, so these are some of these things are for sale also, I'm told. Okay, so this is a beginner's kit. This is such an interesting concept that is at E Galleria Mall, and I wonder, that's my child, 3D printing and robotics. So this is a cute place, people. Makers Block in E Galleria Mall, Hyderabad.